Hi, Holly. My name is Michaela. Thank you so much for taking my call this morning. I realize that you may not be the person that's going to watch this video or make any decisions in regards to it, but I'm still addressing it to you just for the sake of this video, okay? So, I am just putting together little videos kind of showcasing how you can utilize your website to get more leads. There's a few things that I know being in digital marketing that definitely Google looks for in ranking their different websites along that Google platform. The first of which is going to be content. Content is huge to Google. Let's look at an example, okay? So anytime you do a basic Google search, Wikipedia always turns up as your first Google search option. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. We all know that there's pages and pages and pages of information on Wikipedia, so they continually be in that first search result. So let's look at your site just for some comparison. And when I say content, I mean anywhere that text shows up on your site. So we have some there and we have some descriptions here. I'm going to just compare you to your competition who's ranking higher than you and see what we are looking at. This is All American, and they do have a little bit up here. And that is it. So honestly, you could outrank them easily and get one of those top positions on page 1 of Google by content alone. Every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet, finds different websites that have a lot of content, and naturally moves them up the ranks, okay? So getting good quality content. I'm going to say a good amount of content that's going to put you over somebody like All American and keep you in the top place. It's going to be about 1,500 words on your homepage alone. On every additional page you have, so for your services pages here, click on carpet and upholstery, and you do have some text there. We typically recommend about 750 to 1,000 words on every additional page. With that, we also want good keywords that you can be found for when people do a basic Google search. Let me show you what I mean by that. This is called Ahrefs, and it just kind of gives me a breakdown of how you guys are doing on the internet right now. This UR kind of stands for citations, and this DR is for domains or backlinks. I see you have a ton of backlinks, but your DR rating is almost 0. With that being said, it is not the number of backlinks that we worry about, but the type and amount of referring domains we have. So typically, strong, trusted referring domains are going to have a domain rating of 90 or above. Those are the ones we want to go after. We don't want to go after the small ones because they just, as you can see, your 37 backlinks or domains, aren't doing anything for your site. So Google likes these two numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. That shows stability within your business in Google's eyes, okay? And as soon as these get closer to 30, it almost secures your spot in the top sections on the first page of Google. So that's definitely the goal we're reaching for, is getting good quality referring domains. What's a good quality domain? Like homeadvisor.com, Angie's List, things that are highly rated and have a lot of traffic coming in and out, okay? So again, the number of backlinks does not matter, the quality of referring domains, so getting good trusted domains. If you go to your organic keywords here, you're actually not doing too bad on ranking on that first page for a few things. We definitely could get you a stronger position, and again, like I said, hold on to those really top key spots. If I go to a basic Google search looking at carpet cleaning, Clarksville, Tennessee, I do see that you, let's see here, I thought you were on page 1. Here you are. Got moved down to page 2. I do see you're getting 54 leads per month of traffic, which is actually a good place to be in. But again, you're not on page 1, and it's probably due to the backlinks. Backlinks definitely do create a lot of stability in Google's eyes. And then let's talk about the citation link, okay? So citations, if you don't know, when we go to the, let me see if I can get back. When we look at the Google My Business or the Google Maps on the first page, these top 3, you are in the top 3, fantastic. So the reason your citation rating is not high is because you don't have a ton of citations. I do have the ability to see how many citations you have as compared to the competitor. So in this overall breakdown of your website, getting more quality citations, upwards of 350 or more, is going to really drive this number up over the next several months. And then again, good quality referring domains. Once you do that, Google is going to automatically move you up to the top spot in Google, and it's going to be absolutely impossible for other people to compete with you in that retrospect, okay? So again, back to the website, I recommend 1,500 words on your home page, ranking for good quality keywords within that text as well. Adding anywhere between 750 to 1,000 words on every additional page, getting good quality referring domains, as well as some more citations to your Google My Business, and you'll be locked in at that top spot and not be able to be touched by any of your competition. Well, I hope this was good information for you. I hope you have a great day. Whoever watches this video, if you could just send me a quick email letting me know what you thought of this video, answer any questions you might have, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks so much.